The dream of Southern Wind is to be recognized as the perfect balance of sailing excellence. The biggest goal of this event is to help owners, crews and friends to understand what they can do with their boats. What makes us proud is the fact that they use their boats. And as we have something to say about how to use a boat, being it in regatta, being it cruising, being it exploring, by offering a venue to try this is a fantastic opportunity to spread the word.
Personally, my first rendezvous with Southern Wind, and it's an incredible experience to be involved with. And socially, it's like burning the candle at both ends. We race hard and party hard at the same time.
One thing about the Southern Wind Rendezvous is they're always special, especially the parties. They're so well put on, well organized, and everybody has a good time. The owners, the crew, everybody.
It's amazing. I feel like I'm married to a whole new family, and everybody is always there for me.
Southern Wind is a family that is building yacht. It's not a shipyard that builds yachts for a family. It's a family that builds yacht for a family.
These boats are the perfect racer cruiser. So the fact that we can do some really fun racing and then go and enjoy the anchorages in the afternoon, I mean, it's benefiting everyone and getting the best out of the boats in both ways.
So we are gathering 12 boats in this case. We are gathering 200 people. We're not gathering 200,000 people. And this is something that can happen with a family feeling. That's about inclusive exclusivity.
From the Southern Wind team to support us, I can't ask for any more. I mean, it's amazing. So, yeah.
It's a very good team, right from the top to the bottom.